Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1094 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a brow product, and if you've been watching my channel, you know how much I love brow products. And what I have here is from the brand Eden Eyebrows. It's their Skinny Brow Pencil. I got this in the shade Taupe. And this was actually part of my Brow Box subscription box. I love that box. If you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But it's a subscription box all about the brows. So you get different brow products and brow tools. I got a brow t-shirt that I have been loving. It's so comfy. But I love brow pencils, and this seems exactly like the type of brow pencil that I use every day. I like that it's got the spoolie on one end because I need a spoolie to do my brows. The brow box actually comes with a few different spoolies in each box, which is so key. And then on the other end is a skinny twist up brow pencil, and this is exactly what I like. I find them to be the easiest for me, but I did get some other exciting brow products in that box as well that I'm really excited to try. But today we're going to start off with something that's a little bit more comfortable, or in my comfort zone, I should say. But so, first step is I brush through my messy, long, unruly brow hairs. The thing is, I don't know if you keep seeing that, it's like the pencil is like falling out of this. So hopefully it doesn't completely break. But so I'm gonna go ahead, and I definitely need to fill in the front of my brows. Try twisting it up because I'm very sparse there. But ooh, yeah, I can see very tiny fine lines that I can make from this. So I'm going to just use those little flick strokes to fill in the rest of the brow. So I'm kind of following my natural arch and then just filling in where it's sparse. This shade is looking a little bit orangey in my brows. So for a taupe shade, I'm surprised that it's pretty orange. But hopefully I can make it work. It's just not looking super natural. But wow, that brow now is looking shaped, full. I'm going to go ahead and take the spoolie and brush through to try and blend the pencil in a bit more. And it looks good. I mean, it looks fine, but it's just the color that's throwing me off a little bit, because you can see the places where I have filled in my brow, because the color looks different than my natural brow hairs. But the product itself seems nice. It's not super pigmented, which I almost prefer, because then you can use like a harder hand to try and create the lines. But it looks smooth. It's not like it left any texture or crumbliness or anything like that in the brows. But I am just super picky with my brow products and how my brows look, because I want them to still look natural, even though I pretty much completely transform them with makeup. But that difference is very impressive. Let's go ahead and fill in the other brow. If you're someone with more of an orange tone to your hair, like auburn or red hair, I think this would be a really great product, a really great shade. It does blend pretty well when I brush through it. So I feel like I could make this work for me. And then I sometimes use a tinted brow gel. So if I use like my Benefit tinted brow gel that matches my natural hairs better, then that would also help kind of conceal this shade. But if I were to go and repurchase, I would personally choose a different shade for me. But I do feel like this is very fast to work with, very easy. So for someone that's maybe just getting into filling their brows, I think this is a good product. It's a small, easy to use pencil with not too crazy of a pigment. So if you mess up, it doesn't really show up right away. You'd have to really go over that area a lot for your brows to really get messed up. And then the great, easy to use spoolie. I just feel like I look so different and more complete when I have my brows on. It's crazy, like I can't even imagine a day when I'll not be filling in my brows anymore. Like, brow trends change a lot though, so maybe that'll happen someday, but for now I like these full shaped brows. Let me know what your favorite type of brow look for you is. Do you like your natural brows? Do you like to do a fluffy brow, a shaped brow? Brows are just so interesting to me. I love eyebrows and filling in eyebrows, so that's why that brow box is so perfect for me. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.